Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Gracie. Good morning, Mukul.
Sir.
Good morning. So now you might have understood what is ASL.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have got sufficient practice, I think, of speaking and listening test. You listen every day. You listen every day, everywhere, from everyone, from your mom, dad, neighbors, sisters, teachers, friends, and you speak every day. But what you speak and what you listen, it matters. Sorry. So, the purpose of the activity, speaking and listening test, is for developing your language, your communication skill, especially of CBSE students, because many students, they study in CBSE schools, English medium school, but when it comes to speaking or understanding communication, then they find it very, very troublesome to speak. So that is the main purpose, remember. And it carries 20 marks. This is for 20 marks, like a practical exam in any other subject you have. Same way, in English also you have 20 marks practical. That is ASL, Assessment of Speaking and Listening. So meanwhile, others are joining. We should continue. Nisha, good morning. Who is this Nisha joining with Nisha's ID? Nisha Rani, isn't it? Can you hear me clearly? Hello? Can you hear me, Gracie? Mukul?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
I
can
can hear
hear
you.
you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Okay. Nisha, can you hear me, Nisha? Yes or no? Say yes or no. I think she can't hear. Nisha is saying yes. Then you reply, open your mouth, Nisha. Speak through the mic. Use your mic. Use your mic if you have it, if you are able to speak, if you are able to reply me back. Use your mic. Yes or no? She can't reply, it seems. No mic, is it? So, yesterday we did listening activity for around 40 minutes, and I had sent you the answer key of the activity which you had done. So, how much you got, Gracie? How
So
many
all
correct answers?
except task 3.
Sorry?
So all except the task 3.
Okay, all except the task 3. So, task 3 was fully wrong, or some questions were right there?
Some was right.
Okay. So you might have got around 15, 16, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about you, Mukul? How much you got?
Well, all correct. 20.
All correct. Very good. So that means that means your mind is very sharp. You paid attention because answers were there. Only you had to listen carefully. It was an extract, and from that extract, you had to listen and answer the given questions. What about
Yes,
you,
sir.
Chirag? How much you got, Chirag?
19.
19. Only one wrong.
Yes, in the last paragraph that one.
Okay, very well, very good, very good. So, where are others today? They are enjoying the weather. Hmm? Prakshal Daga,
I don't know. No,
Aditya.
data is not turned on
Who?
till
Yes,
yet from the morning.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. They are enjoying the weather today, it seems. And commerce students, they are enjoying much more than arts and science. At least some students are joining. There is a representative from science also and representative from arts also, but there is no representative from commerce. So they are very intelligent, intellectual people. They think that they know everything, they would do everything their own. So therefore, that might be the reason they are not attending the online class. They don't give importance to online class. Rather, they believe in self-study. So yesterday also we read about it in the task. Now, I had sent you another text today for the next activity, next listening task worksheet I have sent you. You can open that. I have sent it on your group, WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
So you go through that. We begin. I will just start reading the script for you like yesterday. And based on that, you will have to answer the questions. Ready? Chirag, Mukul, Gracie, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I just begin. So first go through the questions given in task 1, all of you. Go through the questions given in task 1 and then I shall read it for you. Good morning, Prakshal.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
So I'm good.
Why are you after time today? Any?
Sir, actually, I got late.
Okay. You woke up late, that means
No, sir, I woke up at 6 a.m.
then
But
how could you?
I didn't see that link.
Okay, okay. So go through the sheet I have sent you. Sent it on your group about today's listening test. Go through task 1 and then I shall read it for you. Task 1. You will hear 5 short extracts of people talking about school. Read the statements below, then listen to the extracts and match each statement A to G to each speaker. Speaker 1. As a member of the school council, I helped choose a new ICT teacher. We observed him teaching a demonstration lesson and we were impressed with his skill as an ICT teacher and the way he kept discipline. Getting involved in the school council has helped me a lot. It is a positive thing. It has given me confidence in making decisions. I think we are making a difference for the students. Speaker 2. I play right back for the school football team. The teachers help a lot with after hours training. The school encourages you to learn a variety of things. I'm also very keen on ICT and have been given a software program that shows you the basics. I practice my computer skills in break time, lunch time, or after school. Anyone can turn up and book time on a computer. Speaker 3. I am a buddy to junior class children. You play with them at break time, give them confidence, and help them in their studies. If a student is struggling, you get to be their buddy and help them through the year. Buddies are given training. A guidance counselor comes in, she plays games and helps you with your listening skills. She tells us how to recognize signs a child needs help, how to talk to them and help them. She doesn't shout at you. She listens and she's really nice. After she talked about it, there were fewer disturbances during school hours. Speaker 4. The school has a good diet campaign. It take a packed lunch with some fruit, a sandwich and a drink of black currant or water. Mr. Sharma, the head teacher, doesn't allow us to bring crisp or chocolate. The lunch people come around and if they see you eating, they take it of you, even in the after school club. My diet makes me feel fit and strong and I enjoy eating better now. Eating fruit releases energy slowly over a longer period, so I don't feel the need for snacks. Speaker 5. Last year, I traveled overseas for the first time to Lisbon with a group of year 9th and 10th standard. The trip was paid for and organized by the school's business sponsor and estate agent. I went because of my interest in food technology. School encourages you to enjoy things you haven't done before. I also started to go to after school drama club and I joined a Saturday club where I do extra ICT. I am getting CS and BS in most subjects and an A in drama. Check your answers you have attempted for task 1. Once you have done, we can move on to task 2.
Done, sir.
Task 2. All of you read the questions given in task 2 for 10 seconds. Task 2. You will hear a boy and a girl talking about their upcoming NSS camp. Read the sentences below, then listen to the conversation and choose A, B, or C for each sentence. You will hear the recording twice. Boy. Hi Rupa. Girl. Oh, hi Avinash. Hey, did you see the notice board yesterday? Boy. No, I have skipped it as usual like most of the students. Haha. Tell me, was there something special on it? Girl. Yeah, there was a notice from our NSS in charge, Mr. Sharma. It was about one-day camp meant for NSS volunteers. It's going to be organized for next Sunday. Boy, is it meant for volunteers from class 11th or 12th? What are they supposed to do? Girl, it's meant only for our class, class 11. Well, you know how dirty our area has got. So here is an opportunity to make it more beautiful. It will be a great social service. Boy, So you will be cleaning all the streets and roads. Girl, you are right. We'll be cleaning the main streets by picking up all the plastic wrappers, bags, etc. You know, all the gutters get shocked due to plastic as it not biodegradable. We are also going to make colony walls look nicer and create murals on empty walls depicting social messages. Many people have offered the walls of their houses for murals. Boy, oh, really? Perhaps we have come across some murals in our English book in the chapter about King Tut. A mural is to make a painting on the wall itself, isn't it? Girl, exactly. Boy. But even if you clean the area, people will just litter it again the next day. So what is the use of cleaning it? We are just students. It's not our business. We need to focus on our studies. It is the duty of all the people to think about all this. Girl. No, Avinash, that isn't so. We are living on an ailing planet and we have entered into an area of responsibility. It is a pity that we all keep shifting that responsibility to others. Honesty, it's ridiculous. I think you are just making excuses because you are refusing to leave your comfort zone. But if we all did our bit, it would be very effective and have such a positive impact, wouldn't it? We can change the whole scenario. Boy. Okay, that makes sense. I am convinced. But how can you make others aware? Girl, we are preparing posters with slogans to make people aware. We'll talk to them about the importance of cleanliness for the health and hygiene of all of society. We all also highlight the hazards of plastic, which is the main source of litter on the earth. If we want to save this planet, we'll have to say no to plastic. We need more and more hands to enlighten people. Boy, you are absolutely right. It will be an honor to be a part of this camp. Tomorrow I'll see Mr. Sharma and put my name down to attend the camp. Girl, good. See him in the staff room as he is going to leave early to make the necessary arrangement for the camp. Boy, oh yeah, good idea. Thanks for letting me know all this. Check your answers, those who have done, those who haven't done yet. Complete your answers.
Yes, sir, done.
Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Done, sir.
very good. Now let's go to the task 3. Before I read, you go through the questions given in task 3.
Yes, sir.
Task 3. You will hear a talk on the benefits of walking. Read the questions below, then listen to the extract and choose 4 of the option A to G which are correct. You will hear the recording twice. Which 4 of the following statements does the speaker believe to be true? First, meditation, yoga, and exercises have become a must in today's hurly-burly world. Those of us who are not at ease with meditation and yoga can do very well with simple exercises like walking in nature, which is the greatest doctor for mankind. Second, when you are down physically, mentally, and spiritually, just sit up and get going for a meeting with nature. You will be in touch with Mother Earth, and in the process, both will be doing a whole lot of good to each other. Not only will your anxieties and sorrows disappear, you will get a new feeling of hope and happiness. Third, that is why even Hippocrates, considered to be the father of Western medicine, said that taking a walk is like taking the best medicine against all kinds of possible ailments. And I read recently that the Greek physician also said that you always have 2 doctors on standby, your right leg and your left leg. Fourth, studies have shown that walking reduces the risk of many major diseases like cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. And prevention of major illness means great saving for the environment too. Fifth statement, yes, walking should be special to all. It is the number 1 participation sport in the world. That means there is no exercise as good as walking. It involves more muscles of your body than any other sport does. Brisk walking uses almost all of the 650 muscles and 206 bones found in the human body. Statement 6. tailpiece, and they discovered something very interesting. When it comes to walking, most of the ants' thinking and decision making is not in its brain at all. It's in its legs. Now check your answers of task 3. Those who have not done, do it. Those who have done, check your answers.
Done, sir.
So done. So where to check the answers?
Check the answer means you recheck whether whatever you have done that is correct or
Done,
not.
sir.
Now go through the questions given in task 4. Before I read the questions. Task 4. You will hear two people debating the issue of technology in schools. Listen to the debate and complete the sentences with one or two words only. You will hear the recording twice. Woman. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am here to speak in favor of using technology, not just as an aid to study, but to fully replace teachers. There is no denying the fact that technology makes classes interesting. With PowerPoint presentation and videos, students not only hear and learn, but also visualize the lesson, which makes it easier for them to remember whatever they are taught. Usually, when a professor comes and delivers a lecture, some students start dozing if the lecture is boring. They end up mugging up for exams, then forgetting the information as soon as the exam ends. Man, I agree with my opponent that using technology in education is really an excellent idea. But can technology ever substitute the personal attention assured by a teacher, or is it just an accessory to help teachers teach better? In college, as soon as the PowerPoint is switched on, the students engage themselves in other activities like texting if the lecturer is not explaining along with the presentation and just keeps changing slides. And the other thing is that it feeds the feelings in students that there is no need to pay attention in class since they will get notes emailed later anyway. Woman. I am surprised my friend doesn't realize that PowerPoint presentations have a lasting impressions on minds. Using technology in education also helps students to understand the subject better. So technology has changed the learning experience for the better. Why has the government been wasting so much money to pay so many teachers? When anyone who can operate technology can serve the purpose, the save money could be utilized on technology. Man, I agree that it can be a good aid with government schemes to provide Akash tablets to school children to help them learn. Education has finally turned a curve and embraced technology. But can the tender minds use it properly without a teacher? Besides, a big part of college or school life is interacting with your professors and classmates and learning about more than what is in the curriculum. Women, I beg to differ you. You can use PowerPoint and video in a class that would reach out to most students. You can use movies to teach students of social sciences. You can show engineering students computer generated models. Even the tiny children would love to learn on PowerPoint. Man, I would like to enlighten my friend that personal interaction with a teacher can do magic. Some teachers can make you a better person. There are many ways to solve a problem, and only a teacher can teach you that. A computer can only teach you what it has been fed, and computers cannot teach you about poetry or arts. So they can never replace teachers completely. So I wind up saying that technology is fine as long as it is just an aid for the teacher. But we cannot do away with the classroom system with a teacher as it has proven very effective so far. Now check your answers. Those who have not done, complete it. Those who have done, check it, recheck it. Done, everybody?
Yes, sir. Done.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
I will send you the answer key in the group. You can check your own how much mark you are getting out of 20. Okay? Then Monday onwards, we shall revise the writing section. Whatever there in the writing section, we shall redo it. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first we shall go for writing section, then poetry, then again drama and all those things. Okay then, see you. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay, welcome everybody. Goodbye.